Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are the LINGUCRAFT team, and this video I will demonstrate how to use the LINGUCRAFT learning application. First, make sure you have downloaded the file, then open the application on your Android or iOS device. The LINGUCRAFT logo will appear while the app is loading. Please wait until the home page appears. On the home page, you will see the Start and About Us menus. To learn more about the LINGUCRAFT team, tap About Us. You will see the team members, institution, and email addresses. If you would like to contact us, simply tap one of the email addresses. And then scroll down a little to view the information. Then tap back to return to the home page. Now let's learn how to use the application. Tap Start to see the learning menus available in the app. There are 4 islands: Reading Island, Speaking Island, Grammar Island, and Listening Island. Choose the one you would like to explore. For this demonstration, we will start with Reading Island. Inside Reading Island, you will find 2 menus, Story and Quiz. First, select Story and wait for the story page to load. You can scroll down to adjust the view. To read the story, swipe the ebook to the left. To return to the previous page, swipe to the right. After you finish reading, tap Next to continue to the quiz. Wait for the quiz page to appear, then tap Start Adventure. If the text is too small, you can pinch the screen to zoom in or zoom out. To answer each question, choose the best answer. If your answer is incorrect, the question will turn red, and the correct answer along with the hint will appear below. Tap Next to continue to the following question. Use the same method to answer the remaining questions. After completing all questions, tap Next to return to the Reading Island page. Then tap back to return to the treasure map. Next, let's visit Speaking Island. Just like before, there are 2 menus, Story and Quiz. Please read or watch the story before starting the quiz. Tap Story and wait for the video to load. Once it appears, tap the video to play it. If you want to watch it in full screen mode, tap the full screen button. You can also adjust the quality of video. To return to the normal view, tap the small screen button. After watching the video, tap Next to begin the speaking practice. There are 10 phrases for you to practice. First, listen to the pronunciation, then repeat it. After completing all the phrases, tap Next and then tap back to return to the treasure map. Now let's continue to Grammar Island. Select story and wait for it to load. The reading process is the same as in Reading Island. Swipe left to move to the next page and swipe right to return to the previous page. After finishing the story, tap Next to start the quiz. Wait for the quiz page to appear, then tap Start Adventure and set Sail. There are 10 grammar questions to complete. Choose the best answer for each question. If your answer is incorrect, a red board will appear. If your answer is correct, a green board will appear. After each question, an explanation will be provided. Once you complete all the questions, you will see a summary of your correct and incorrect answers. If you would like to try again, tap Sell again. If you want to return to the beginning of the quiz, tap Return Support. After finishing Grammar Island, tap Next to return to the Grammar Island page. Then, tap Back to return to the treasure map. Finally, we arrived at Listening Island. Tap Story and wait for the audio to appear. On this island, you will listen to a story about a meeting between an adventurer and a pirate. Tap the three dots and select Play on Spotify. Listen carefully to the entire story before answering the questions. After finishing the story, tap Next to start the quiz. Use the same method by tapping the three dots and selecting Play on Spotify. Don't forget to prepare a piece of paper for your answers. Listen carefully to the instruction and questions. Once you finish, tap Next and return to the treasure map. That was a brief introduction to using the LINGUCRAFT application. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.